Country. Today we're going to be doing some decorating here on the front porch, and here comes our little boy Brody. He's going to be doing some drawing right back here.
Hi, bud.
With his magic markers, so that will be fun. Yes, you honey. So today we're going to be doing some decorating here on the front porch just to spice things up, make it look a little bit fresh for every day, but also kind of give it a little bit of fall vibe, some early fall vibe. So today I want to thank Everyplate right here for sponsoring today's video, and Everyplate is a really affordable option for dinners and meals, and you guys too can get 3 weeks worth of meals for $2.99. And so I'll be talking about this a little bit later, but it was so great to get this at our front porch, and we had our first night of meals last night and it was so yummy. So we got 2 more nights of meals, and I hope you guys can take advantage of that awesome deal too. I have a link down in the description box below if you guys want to get started. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this front porch, and then later I'm going to take you guys into the house and we're going to do some DIY peel and stick shiplap. So that's going to be fun too. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the back of these letters, we're using the Gorilla tape, the double-sided tape from Home Depot, and this is working super well. It doesn't feel like it's going to be very sticky, but once it's on your finger for a while, it adheres better. No, not you, silly. And I absolutely love these letters. I have a link in the bio, the description box below, where you guys can get these, and they're really durable. And you have the option to get ones without holes to where you can drill them in the wall. Or you guys can get them like how I have them with no holes, and I like this option just a tad better. I don't remember what. Since we're already on the front porch, I thought I would give you guys a little bit of a tour and share with you guys where a few of the items are from. And I have debated if I was going to decorate this space for fall and wait and share this, but I think that we're just going to do either some painting of pumpkins or carving of pumpkins. We're not going to go too all out with fall this year, especially since we've got a lot of DIY projects in the home going on. So our home is a little bit not all decorated. It's a little bit chaotic. So wouldn't you say probably not so much fall this year?
Yeah, like always.
Yeah. So the last question, or one of the questions I got on my last front porch tour, was this bench, and this was a used bench, and I've really debated on whether or not to recreate one for the other side. So let me know in the comment section down below if that's something you guys would be interested in. And then we got this really simple home with a heart doormat. We got this last night at Fred Meyer, and that was my second time ever being at Fred Meyer. It was an hour and a half away, and I just thought it would look really simplistic over this buffalo checkered large rug, and this is off of a Amazon shop I will link down below. They were kind enough to send this to me, and so I really appreciated that and thought that was so kind of them. And then this wreath is probably my favorite wreath ever. We went to Target last night and I really wanted to get a fall one just as a simple way to decorate for fall. And it was orange from the Magnolia line, and it was $32.99, and I just couldn't wrap my head around spending that much. And so this one I think will be great for all year long. I might just change it out just for Christmas time, but this is from Antique Farmhouse, and I just love it. I think it's so pretty, and I love how the green just goes really well with the exterior of our home. And I am still in love with this paint choice of our house just as much as I was when we first painted the house. We were actually going to go with a blue, and like last minute I just grabbed a sample of this, and then hubby was like, this is the color. So I don't even know what it's called, but
Sage green.
Sage green. And
from Bear, I think. From
Bear, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Our lighting here is from Amazon. I can link that down below. And then these sweet letters, these are from Go Home Numbers, and I will link them in the description box below. They've got a website and an Etsy shop, and they were kind enough to send this to us for $80. And I just think it's a cute way for...
They spelled it wrong.
No, they didn't.
I know, I'm just joking. Seriously.
But I just think it's a really different and cute way to have your numbers on your home. So I just think that that's really cute. So we're gonna go on inside and we're gonna do some peel and stick shiplap. Now, one of my popular videos is the peel and stick wall planks, and wall planks is the brand. So we had, it was like a distressed white look, and so it's not actual shiplap. It's just like the look of distressed wood. And so today we're gonna be doing the install process of actual DIY, like it looks like shiplap, but it's peel and stick. So there will be cute. It will be actual shiplap that's pre-painted. You will not need to have any nail guns or anything like that. You won't have to patch any holes. You literally cut it and
peel and stick it.
And you peel it and you stick it.
It's in the
and name. You guys, I have a 35% off coupon in the links down below, and it's an expensive thing to do, but it's going to save you a lot of time, and it ends up, I haven't done the math, but it's going to save you a lot of steps, and with painting and filling all the nail holes and all that kind of stuff, it's going to take away a lot of products that you have to buy to get the shiplap done. There goes a plane, and it just makes the job so much simpler. So I can't wait to show this to you guys again, and let's go ahead and go in and get started with that project in our daughter's room. A big thank you to Everyplate for partnering with us on today's video. Everyplate is a really great option if you're looking for a delivery food service to your door that's not only so yummy, but absolutely affordable too, which is so important, especially with what's going on worldwide. We all need a little break when it comes to expensive food. So using my code COUNTRY3, you guys can get each serving as low as $2.99 a serving, which is absolutely such a great deal. Tonight we had lemon chicken, which was absolutely scrumptious, and the night before we had pork sausage stuffed peppers, which was super yummy as well. I love how I'm getting out of my comfort zone when it comes to cooking. Everyplate makes it really easy to just kind of cook new meals and get new ideas, and you also get to keep these cards so you can actually cook these in meals to come as well. And again, thank you Everyplate for partnering with us on today's video. Hey friends, we're now in my little girl's room, and you guys are getting a little sneak peek of what this bedroom makeover is looking like. We have been working the past maybe 3 to 4 weeks on her bedroom because, like you guys know, we have done nothing with our kids' rooms, and so since 2.5 years of living here. So we've been working really hard. We got some wallpaper up right here, by a new wall, and it looks gorgeous. And so today we're going to be doing our wall planks DIY peel and stick shiplap right behind here. And like I was saying earlier, this is a more expensive option. I've got that 35% off coupon for you guys, but it saves a lot of work and a lot of time. And shiplap can take a lot of extra time, I guess you could say, because not only do you have to go physically get it, which our Home Depot is actually completely out of shiplap right now. I know I tell you guys all the time about our trick on how we save with shiplap to get it 70 to 90% off, but right now that's kind of even hard to do with it being out of stock with everything going on worldwide. So wall planks is a great option because it comes directly to your front door, and it'll save you a lot of prep work, and all we have out is a miter saw, and then I believe that's it. So it's going to be simple. I do believe are we going to be doing the caulking between the...
If the gaps are really bad.
Okay, if the gaps are bad, because the difference between, we've done 3 different styles of wall planks. We've done their 8-foot shiplap. That was just, I think it was just primed, so it wasn't a bright white or anything like that in our laundry room. And then we've done the really thin wall planks in the picket fence in our master bedroom. And now we're going to be doing, it's almost 4 feet. I think it's like a little over 3 feet something inches. It's almost 4 feet, this shiplap, right?
Daddy, can you move this part?
Yeah, and this is more in a bright white painted, so it's going to save some extra steps. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this wall. The kids are getting started, and the shiplap is turning into little racetracks. So let's get started. Yes, racetracks, honey. So we're really big into Disney cars in this family. So let's go ahead and get started. So while Jason's working on that piece, I wanted to give you guys an update on how it's going. We're about 1/4 of the way through with this wall. And like I said previously, this is our 3rd time using Wall Planks' products. All 3 of them being different, 2 of them being shiplap, but in different types. So they don't carry the 8-foot one anymore. This is the 4-foot one. And so far, what we're thinking it looks like is almost, would you say subway tile?
Large subway tile, yeah.
It almost looks like a large subway tile. It still looks like shiplap, but shiplap is technically usually, we buy them in the 14 footers, right? 16 footers? What do we typically buy at Home Depot?
Anywhere from 10 to 16s.
10 to 16 footers. So the smaller size, with it being as thick as it is, makes it look a little bit more like subway tile, which is still a super, super cool look. And we're absolutely loving it. I'm not sure if we're gonna caulk the space in between, you know, like every 4 feet. We haven't decided yet, but it has been a fun process, and I love the fact that we haven't had to use a nail gun. We don't have to fill in the holes and sand it down, and we don't have to tape everything off in the room and spray paint it. So not spray paint it with like spray paint, but spray it with the paint. So it's definitely a really, really easy process. I want to try to get a close-up look so you guys can see what I'm talking about with the lines and see how it's just a different look. It's a different look, and sometimes it's fun to do things new. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY decorating of our front porch and our DIY peel and stick shiplap video. Make sure before you leave to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on a future video. I'll see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.